Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Nicole Chantell, and if you like everything beauty, and now that we're in October, if you like everything Halloween, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of my makeup family. With all that being said, let's jump right into this video. Hello my ghosts and ghouls. Today I'm going to be showing you this eyeshadow tutorial on how I created this beautiful smoky all matte orange eyeshadow. I really feel like pumpkin spice and everything nice. That is the vibes that I'm feeling today. So with that being said, let's jump right into this tutorial. First, to prime my eyes, I am going to go in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is the Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish, and this is in the shade Fair. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be going in with today is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette. The first shade that I'm going to be applying into my crease is called Heart On, which is this beautiful red shade, and I'm just going to be buffing that right into my crease. Baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you... Now, just to soften up the shade Heart On, I am going to go in with the shade Perfectionist, and I'm just going to blend that slightly into my crease. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Now, to give me that beautiful orange vibe, I am going to go in with the shade My Man. And I'm just going to be packing that onto the outer portion of my lid and just bringing it in very slightly into the middle, and then just slightly blending that into my crease. Now for the rest of my lid, I'm going to go in with the shade Feelin' Myself, which is another beautiful orange shade, and I'm just going to apply that to the rest of my lid. Could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. So I went ahead off camera and finished the rest of my face. All the products will be listed down below. Now to finish my lower lash line, I did go in with the shade My Man, and I'm just buffing that into my lower lash line. And for my inner corner highlight, I am going to go in with the shade Talia, and I'm applying this shade Dry. So now for my wing liner, I am going to go in with Rimmel London Wonder Wing Eyeliner. And this is a waterproof eyeliner, and I'm just going to create a very nice sharp wing. Now to finish off this eye look, I did go in with Kiss Lashes Russian Volume, and for my waterline, I did go in with Colourpop's Cream Gel Liner in Piggy Bank, and for my mascara, I went in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. Now for my lips, I'm going to go in with the Morphe Lip Liner in Backseat Love. Now I'm going to be going in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Pitch Black. So you guys, there we go. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this very matte orange eyeshadow tutorial. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I do feel like pumpkin spice and everything nice. Let me know in the comments down below, have you created any beautiful Halloween eyeshadow tutorials? I would love to see them. And if you did, leave your channel information down below. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, stay safe, love one another. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.